Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the hidden truths behind the foods and products you use every day. I appreciate every single one of you for supporting this journey. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the facts that could change your life and your health. That convenient non-stick pan you love for cooking eggs, it might be serving you more than breakfast. It could be dishing out toxic chemicals straight into your body. Yeah, we're talking about harmful substances linked to cancer, hormone disruption, and even immune system damage. Let's take it back to 1938, when a chemist named Roy Plunkett accidentally discovered a slippery substance called polytetrafluoroethylene, better known as PTFE, while working for DuPont. By 1945, DuPont had branded this miracle coating as Teflon. It was marketed as a game-changer for easy, clean cookware, and by the 1960s, non-stick pans were sizzling in kitchens worldwide. But here's where things get toxic, literally. Most non-stick cookware is coated with PTFE, and until 2013, the manufacturing process also involved perfluorooctanoic acid, better known as PFOA. Both PTFE and PFOA are part of a larger group of chemicals called PFAS, also known as forever chemicals, because they don't break down in the environment or your body. When non-stick pans are overheated, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, they release toxic fumes that can cause flu-like symptoms in humans, known as polymer fume fever. And for birds, these fumes can be deadly. Long-term exposure to PFAS has been linked to cancer, thyroid disease, hormone disruption, liver damage, and immune system issues. Scary stuff for something you use to flip pancakes. Here's where it gets even more unsettling. The non-stick cookware market is a multi-billion-dollar industry. As of 2024, it's estimated to be worth over $10 billion globally, and it's still growing. Despite growing awareness about PFAS, companies continue to profit from products that could be harming your health. So, which non-stick pans should you be most concerned about? Older non-stick cookware, especially those made before 2013, are the biggest offenders since they likely contain PFOA. Cheap non-stick pans from lesser-known brands may also still use harmful manufacturing processes, especially if they're not clearly marked as PFOA-free or PFAS-free. Now, if you must have non-stick, go for brands that clearly state they're free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, and other toxic chemicals. Some safer non-stick options use ceramic coatings, which are typically free from harmful chemicals. Brands like Green Pan and Caraway are known for being much safer alternatives in the non-stick game. But if you really want to play it safe, ditch non-stick altogether. Here are the healthiest alternatives for cooking. Cast iron. Naturally non-stick when seasoned properly and adds a little iron boost to your meals. Stainless steel, durable, chemical-free, and perfect for searing and sautéing. Glass cookware, completely non-toxic, and perfect for baking and storing food. Ceramic-coated cookware, a good non-toxic, non-stick option for those who want easy cleanup without the health risks. So what's in your kitchen? Are you cooking up meals with hidden toxins? It might be time to make the switch for your health and your family's future. If this video gave you something to think about, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to know what's really going on with their cookware. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, eat for life.